Hello and welcome to another 3D Max tutorial. I am your host, FreeW67, and today I'll be showing you how to map the race groove using spline mapping. This only works with Max 2009 and up. Anyone that's using 6, 7, 8, 9, you will need to grab the tutorial over at ISI about the track technology PDF, and it gives you a rundown exactly how to do it. Since I use 2009, I'm going to use the spline mapping because it is a hell of a lot easier. So for us 2009 and up people, let's get started. As per the ISI document, I set my textures up exactly how they have it here. Say 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. Let's just double check the coordinates. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 2, 3. Okay. And then for this example though, we want to see how the race groove's mapped. So what we need to do is come over here to the race groove and let's put that on top, because that's really what we want to see mapped in the end. So let's close the material editor, and then what we'll do now is the race groove is supposed to be mapped following the fast path. So on a normal oval, it would be the ideal groove. Come up high, hit the apex, roll out. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that follows that. Alright, let's go up to the line tool, grab that, and let's create, basically pretty much draw the fast path to an extent. Close it, yes. Select all the vertices. Bezier. Reset them. As you can see, helped out immensely. And let's just start adjusting. This works great for an oval. Obviously, probably not as much for road course, but pretty good. Let me hide the track mesh so you can see the line better. So there's our line. I mean, that's roughly what the fast path will be for this oval. Let's select the spline. Just make sure it's a little bit above the track surface. Select the track, modifier, UV, unwrap. Let's go over here, click the plus and face. Make sure you're on channel 3. Now you can see that's how I drew the texture. Red down the center, blue across. And spline, pick spline, and then go to planar. Why it turns sideways, I'm not exactly sure. If someone knows that answer, please post, because I would love to know what exactly is going on. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or if that's just what happens. This is the first time I've really done this. So what we'll do is we'll select it all. You can select by individual, or you can go and select them all. And let's shrink it up a little to get it closer. That looks like it's pretty much centered on the line. This is a road course, or if you want to move the lines a little more, you reset it and add more sections in. So we'll commit, and then we'll collapse it. Now we need to adjust the texture, so let's select it, modifiers, UV, X form, make sure we're on channel 3, let's rotate it 90. So now we can see this, the red line's following it, but let's tile it up a little bit. There you can see. Red line is just on the inside of the center. If you want it just, preferably, I think you'd probably want it right on or just outside. But that's if they're definitely going to be hugging the inside line, then that'll be perfectly fine. But the groove texture has most of the tire marks and everything built around the center of the texture, and that's why they want it to follow the center. Now the race groove's done, you're actually able to use spline mapping to retexture the track, or if you're coming over from SketchUp, you can actually apply the texture for the first time using spline mapping. Or if you just want to redo your RF1 to RF2 track, if you want to use a bigger texture, this is one quick and easy way to remap the track. So let's select the track, go to Edge, select one in the middle, loop, create shape. As long as everything's welded right, it should loop fine. So let's click OK, and now we'll do the exact same thing as before. Let's move it up a little bit, select it, unwrap it. Now, let's go to channel 3. So I'm just going to use this as an example so you can definitely see what's going on. Now when I switch to channel 3, it stretches it from across. If this works for you, then you could collapse from here. But if you want it to, say, tile it twice across, then we'll keep going. So we'll go to Face, Spline, pick your spline, liner, move it out of the way. Now let's select everything and resize it. Commit, collapse. Let's poly select everything, X form. Make sure we're channel 3 just for this example. And there we go. And you can see the lines there twice. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them here at YouTube or over at my forum at nsrs.joelcentral.com. Thanks for watching.